You've got a Monzo account, you see the cashback offers pop up, but are you actually making the most of them? Most people treat cashback as a nice little bonus, but with a few simple tricks, you can turn those occasional pounds into a consistent stream of savings. This isn't about spending more, it's about spending smarter. Monzo's cashback feature is brilliant because it's baked right into the banking app, but the key to maximizing it comes down to three things: activation, alignment, and layering. First up, activation is non-negotiable. Monzo offers require you to manually tap and activate them before you make a purchase. It's not automatic. So, if you're planning a weekend shopping trip or an online splurge, take literally 30 seconds to open the app, check your offers section, and hit activate on anything relevant. Missing this one step is the single biggest mistake people make, and it costs them money. Get into the habit of checking the offers list every time you're about to buy something significant. Second, alignment is about being strategic. Monzo's deals rotate and are often tailored to where you already shop. Don't be tempted to buy something you don't need just for the cashback. Instead, focus on aligning your existing spending habits with the current offers. For example, if you see a 5% cashback offer for a specific supermarket, make that your go-to for your weekly shop that month. If a clothing brand you like pops up, defer your planned purchase until the deal is live. Monzo works with top UK brands, so finding alignment with your essentials, like groceries, transport, or even just your favorite takeaway, should be straightforward. And finally, the real money-maximizing move, layering your rewards. This is where you earn cashback on top of other discounts. For a lot of Monzo's partner offers, you can actually stack the rewards. Here's the power play. If you see a Monzo cashback deal for an online retailer, you can often use a separate standard discount or a loyalty card in addition to the Monzo deal. Always check the individual offer's small print to be sure, but generally, Monzo cashback is applied automatically when you use your card, and it doesn't interfere with most retailer-specific loyalty points or voucher codes. This means you could be earning loyalty points, using a 10% discount code, and getting Monzo cashback, all on the same transaction. That's triple dipping. To recap your Monzo maximization strategy: always activate the offer in the app before you spend. Align your spend by favoring retailers with current deals for your necessary purchases. Layer up your rewards by stacking Monzo cashback with retailer loyalty points or discount codes. Do these three things, and you will quickly see your cashback balance grow from a few pence to a healthy pot of savings you can withdraw anytime. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.